Hey, what's going on, y'all? So it is Julio Murs back again at Jim Hudson, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac. I am hiding currently in the service department right now. There's somebody important that I wanted to jump on top of. So we have one of our gentlemen, Howard, down here. He has been with us for quite some time. And today, since it's Meet the Staff Monday, I wanted to jump on him because tomorrow is his last day. So I'm not sure if he's just taking a little bit of a break or what he is planning on doing, but I am about to go jump on him. I have no idea exactly what he is doing right now, so let's go. I hope he is not too busy. Might you be able to help me out find Howard? We're on the move.
Hell no.
Oop. I think I found somebody. Mr. Howard, how's it going today?
Okay.
So, I know that I'm sneaking up on you. You're a busy man, but today is Meet the Staff Monday. And I wanted to jump on top of you and make sure that we could feature you. We heard that tomorrow may be somebody's last day. Or at least
There's no maybe about it.
He said there's no maybe about it. We heard that you have spent a little bit of time down here, so I wanted to jump on and first say thank you for your time that you spent down here with us. But on Meet the Staff Mondays, we like to have the folks be able to introduce themselves, tell a little bit about themselves, and maybe a little bit about what you do inside of the job, and then what you like to do outside of the job as well. So, if you don't mind, what was your name again?
Howard Haller.
All right, Howard. And how long have you been working down here at Jim Hudson?
Started with Jim Hudson in June of 11. I've been
June
at
of-
this store since April of 15.
Jeez. All right. So much longer than I have been down here. And as I've heard, you are a very important part down here. So I wanted to say thank you, first of all, because there's a lot of people that wanted to make sure that I would feature you today. And I wanted to make sure that I could get that. What would be one thing that you would like to do outside of work, though?
Oh, I'm a handyman, any kind of remodeling, building, carpentry, masonry.
Oh, so you like working with your hands, working with wood? There it is. Hey, I like that. But hey, again, Howard, let me switch over. I wanted to say thank you, truly. But hey, guys, this was Meet the Staff Monday. This is Howard. Thank you again. I hope that you enjoy the last day that you have tomorrow and have a great rest of the year, all right? See you now. All right, guys, that was another episode of Meet the Staff Monday. How you doing? That's going to be another episode right there. What's going on, boss? But hey guys, again, I wanted to make sure that we could jump on that because Howard is a very important part down here. Down in our parts department, like you've seen him in the back. He is shuffling through, trying to make sure that everybody down here is taken care of. So guys, if you ever happen to see him outside, just give him a nice thank you. But this was Meet the Staff Monday at 4035 Kaiser Hill Road in Columbia, South Carolina. Hope that you guys have a great rest of the year. Hope to see you guys very, very soon in 2020. See ya.